and understandably so. Whoa! Palakpak for the national champion of Thailand and the first ASEAN Cycling Federation champion in the XCO Women Junior Sanaporn Hamat of Thailand. Wow.
Very awesome. It's the first time na mag-ASEAN Championships. So, a first
And pag ito kasi kahapon naglaro dito, di ba?
Oo. Tsaka ano ay, sa XCE.
Sa XCE.
So ngayon, later, she will be earning the first ever champion jersey.
Oh, meron jersey.
Where are you guys from?
Iloilo City.
What district? What district?
Street?
District.
District? Second district ata na Iloilo.
Haro, Arevalo, City Proper, Mandurriao.
In the cross-country Olympics men youth category, rider number 1 race jersey 242, Manaay 30 from Go for Gold Philippines, the national champion. Rider number 241, Patoto Anel Mar. Number 275, Tecafe Aldrenjan from Cali Boys. 373, Catalan Gwen Ethan from Pasig City. 243, Contreras Sean Robert from TGC Credit Corporation. 245, Orogo John Audrey from Lucap. Number 271, Linuel Dion Ines from Pasig City. Mayo Francis, rider number 262. Number 270, Adriel Panlilio. Number 267, John Rafi Patolina. Number 268, Clark Santino de los Santos from Bambite. Rider number 280, Armani Bartonico from Team Vanas. Rider number 273, Rise Salilias. Number 279, Nick Alfred Peralta. Number 244, Kyle Sheen Vivares of United Cyclists of Albay. Rider number 246, Jameson Gregorio. Rider number 247, Kirk Rabin Baradas of Iday Ride Academy. Rider number 248, Odi Calios. Rider number 249, Teofel Sumbi from Pasig City. Rider number 250, Renz Gabriel Peña Florida. Rider number 251, Prince William Takula. Rider number 252, Angelo Andrade. Number 253, Lodovico Librilla. Number 254, Kurt Trix Porsua. Rider number 255, Zaijun Novis. Rider number 256, Rain Daniel Cuara. Rider number 257, Prince Barkley Sucro from Cali Boys. 258, Trek Dior Elizalde. Number 259, Kaylee Drake Sadaba. Number 260, Noah Naranjo. Number 264, Vincent Tito from NME. Number 265, John Ace Despi. Number 266, Kim Jerome Doremdes from Go for Gold Philippines. Number 376, J.B. Lebuna, One Team Iloilo. Number 269, John Anthony Valdez. Number 272, Jerry Espinosa. Number 274, Chasser Palma from Pintados. Number 276, Zaijan Pim Mesiderio from Cali Boys. Rider number 277, Cian AC Maratas. Number 278, Cham Paulo Regondola from Bambite. Number 263, Cian Isaac Cristano. Number 378, Roel Leland Batapa from Pasig City. Number 377, Giancarlo Bonete. Number 379, Luke Daniel Fernandez. Number 361, Earl James San Diego. And number 367, Adriel Rojo from Pintados. We have 46 riders from One Nation.
Okay, good morning, riders. Maayong araw for the men youth. Okay, for the first ASEAN cycling, for the first ASEAN mountain bike championship. For the men youth, there is 3 laps. right? 3 laps. In the course, we have 2 feeding and technical zone where you can take your feeding or any mechanical. Whoever is taking mechanical outside of these 2 zones, they will be penalized. Okay? The second one is we are implementing 80% pull-out zone. It's just there. You can see 80%. Whoever is about to be overlapped or caught by the leading rider, we will pull you out at the 80% zone. Whoever is pulled out at the 80% zone will still get your ranking. But if you decide to pull yourself out outside the 80%, you will be a DNF or do not finish rider. Right? So remember, it is 3 laps, and riders, you will start in 1 minute from now. Riders, 30 seconds to start. Anytime in 15 seconds.
And they are! 40 plus riders in the men youth category. Wow, walang puwang sa race track. Damo-damo.
Yan na.
Okay.
Yes, sinasabi ko.
Ito na.
Mapupuno na ang race course ng iba't ibang siklista.
May nagkaula. Okay.
Later on, di mo na malalaman kung sino yung nauna. Halo-halo na.
For sure, may mga overlap dito.
Pero because yung national champion natin si 30, di ba?
You can tell the jersey.
Yes.
So the national champion is wearing
Kaso,
national champion.
that also means he's the man to beat.
Yes.
Yun nga,
He's a walking target. They're riding.
So it's a prestige to be national champion, and it's also a target on all the riders. Parang kailangan
That's the
yung
best.
maunahan ko
Sa jump,
talaga.
jump na
That's
sa
the best.
Expected.
Sino tanda mag-jump eh.
And that's the worst thing.
Kita ko na kalap.
Yeah.
Galing
Kaya
na
any discipline yun yung nakakatuwa sa cycling.
Sobra na kalabit.
May champion jersey. So itong kasi back-to-back championships, may champion jersey din. So i-award mamaya. Yeah.
We will wait when we will see the champion jersey.
Yes, during the awarding ceremony.
Wala ka, wala tayong darbahan naman, gulagit yun.
Nobody has seen it.
I don't think we've even posted, so it will be ang first
It's a surprise.
na makikita nila lahat yan. Yep. We're excited to say it's a first in history, so the other nations who want to host it in the future, other than Pasay, of course, very trusted venue out here, they have to have that jersey awarded to the champion of that season. So
You can buy it.
they try to copy the jersey.
Where you from, bro? Where you from?
From Saraga.
Yung mga recognize lang talaga yung may totoong achievement to make sure we know who we are talking about, no? Dami na.
Hindi na tayo na. It's still the same. The riders in pole position.
Uy, naunahan si 30. Yes.
Okay. This
Still early in the game.
Yeah, this segment of the racetrack is really difficult because you cannot get momentum. Oh, especially if there's a rider in front of you. You really need. Oh, one down. Okay,
Kaya pa.
it's okay.
Continue your race.
I've been there before. Kaya nga nag-host na lang ako. Okay, kaya wala. Okay lang. Okay lang matumba sa duta. Kaya gamay lang way kapote. Ang agay ah. Kung sa sinilito niya. Pumuputi, again pumupula. We have 2 drones, We have 2 drones covering the event. These drones are not from another country trying to spy on what we're doing here.
Grabe nag-bottleneck na dun, no, Christian? Nag-bottleneck na dun sa isang section.
Ito talaga. But you need to get a certain kind of separation in order for you to get momentum here. You have no choice but to get off your bike. Oh! No! It's something you cannot take for granted. Opportunities like this don't come their way.
Yung bridge, no? It's a good feature over there.
Where you from, bro?
Sarah.
Ang maganda din po sa area sa
Hoy! Basta March! Oh!
Bro, where you guys from?
Kami dito, Liganes.
Liganes.
Yung revenue ng buong city, big benefit talaga from the hosting. Kaya there's a lot we can take away from here, definitely.
Yes, those because they were existing bike parks, not really man-made. Meron at least na agad
Yes. Now,
Yeah, bro, where from, bro? Where from?
Kapag pinapanood mo yung mga live stream nila.
Where you from?
Korea.
Alam ko, kapag
You know how to speak Korean? So low. Ay! Kita ka mo kapon mo?
Where are you guys from?
Lilo.
Lilo. What district?
Araw.
Arrow. Where you from, bro?
From Kalibo.
Alibo. From where?
Kalibo. From Kalibo, Team Boracay.
Where you from, guys?
From Iloilo.
Lilo. What district? What district? From what district? Haro or Arevalo?
Pabia.
Pabia.
Sabi mo na diray.
Living at 315 around the area. We have Pastelco, Alex,
Where from, guys? Where you from?
Haro.
What barangay?
Lanet.
Lanet.
Lanet Haro.
Are you together, you guys?
Yes.
We would like to also acknowledge
Libre pa yung dibugay ni Tinit Kid.
Oh.
Department of Agrarian Reform and Secretary Garage Fund. Honorable Ren Honorable Norman Valencia, Honorable Ramon Ian Magda, Robert Brown, Honorable Cindy Panlares, Honorable Alfred Bayan, President, and Honorable Catherine Palmares, basta nag-collective kayo ng mga tickets, bali na naman. Yung boss may nagagin na tubig.
overthinking one selection lang. Kung saan define you. Diba?
Let's go! Number 284. 284. Oh, that's not the winner. And 241. That's Makoto. 284 is
Kuya. Uy, Diyos ko.
and 244 naman for that's
Why, goro to. Tuya, goro to. Balak na maliko. Nakuha siguro. Nalang-alang.
Bayona. Janice Destiny.
Pwede ko sana kayo. Pwede sana, tuya mo. Uy, Diyos
That's
ko.
John Audrey Oroco from Default. 272.
Wow!
46. 46.
What? Uy, Bang! Kinanglan kong decide sa nga diya sa na.
Sa dalawa, that's from Pasig. That's Manuel Ines.
Bang! Diyos ko, Lord.
262. Finish one up. 277. 251.
Yung mga nandun, kasi bawal sila eh. Yung mga, pwede lang mag-assist yung license kasi hindi mo rin sila pwede assist around the course. It can only be in the zone. So let's say si sir, na-puncture yung tire niya. He has to make it to the next technical zone.
My God, it's really tough, especially if you're tired.
Tsaka kung leading ka na medyo masakit yun sa rider. So kailangan niya maayos agad and then bawi siya dun sa next.
If you're leading the race, you're really not safe actually.
Yes.
It's still anybody's ball. You
It
just
can be
pray-
anything.
Yes,
It can be
you just pray
anything.
that you don't suffer a puncture, mechanical problem.
Oh, ang madalas yan nakikita sa races yung chain drop.
Yeah, chain drop because of the jump, because of the uneven.
Yes. It's not common for the locals also to see such a technical track. And it's something new for them.
Where are you guys from?
Kapuntan, Iloilo.
Iloilo. What district?
District. District ano?
I mean Haro or city proper or Arevalo.
Iloilo City.
Proper.
Oh.
Hindi kami nag-excited ka!
Where are you from? Where are you guys from? Where are you from?
We're from Iloilo.
I'm from South Cotabato.
What district Iloilo?
La Paz.
La Paz. What about you?
Haro? He's from Haro. Why?
Okay, thank you. Did you join the race?
No, we just watch.
You just came here to watch?
Oh, yes.
I'm from Albay. We came from Philippines to here.
Huh?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Uy!
Where are you from, guys?
Iloilo.
Iloilo. What district?
Santa Barbara. Second District, Iloilo.
Where are you guys from?
Iloilo. Iloilo.
What district?
Yes?
What district?
Loan. Second District.
Haro or La Paz or city proper?
Me from Saraga. Haro. Haro.
Thank you, guys. Bro, you're from Dumangas, right?
Right. Down home.
Look for LSU Pasig page where you like to share it in your personal account, and then you ask other people to share it. Sharing is
Where are you from, bro?
Iloilo.
Iloilo. What district?
Cabugao Norte.
look for converged Wi-Fi. May mabutangan na your network, don't mind it. Destroy the network.
Where you from, guys? Where you from?
From Aniway, shout out
Aniway.
XBB.
All of you, all of you.
May 12, 24, 34. Importante, ano lang na yan.
Aside from your strength and your endurance, you might have these skills that are necessary.
Ay, sorry.
Naka-live.
May gumagano din mo.
Ano name? Page ng YouTube. Tapos na lang.
Philippine Planet, title lang.
Sa YouTube.
Paano namin bol?
Pero namin mag-jump din.
Nasa Emirata ako.
Where you guys from? Bro, where are you from? Bro, where are you from?
Iloilo.
What district?
Hindi kasi na araw na pagtugsa baga.
Where you guys from? Pabia. All of you, 4 of you.
Mga riders nila ako. Other than the local events na tourism, they are really one of the popular names sa develop ng the screen being kind of competitions but sa going sa oh my God, na sila.
Ito si Jeron, basi niya pa lang siguro hasta niya.
Kaunta ka? Kaunta? Bad condition na nanood siya to. Bad condition. Sabay papa mo ibaga. Ako tadi.
Where are you guys from? Where are you from?
Saraga.
Saraga. All of you.
From my mother.
You have something to say?
Shout out
Shutdown. Ay, di po tayo.
Buguan niyo pa.
Where are you guys from?
Saraga lang.
Saraga.
Iloilo.
Okay.
Saka kami basi may bike. Kaya magi. Saka.
Then? Kinupa?
Gumana yung first to pagpano?
Abot guard, abot.
Abot.
Abot si third. Abot ito.
Bro, so how's the race, bro?
Masi City. Among ko dyan po nagsikon to, kay Ter. Among to nagsikon. Dia lang dia.
Tapos daw.
Gas lap ko no.
Matangko.
Eh bae ganito pinali ma.
Unang babae.
Apas,
Lima. Lima.
Ganda ko no.
Sandang daw.
Pero wala senda ano yun? Oh, dua senda dua. Last lap pag inay.
Mama ka lang.
Tapos tayo puta.
Salamat. Third! Galagas third! Ay, di po. Oo, Sir D. Sir D na. Di po, Sir D.
Where are you from, guys? Rojas.
Rojas City.
Bantayan na lang kayo.
Man. Painalap na lang na. Lagas third! Nice third! Nice third! Away na. Dahil mong guama ito nila, maraming kasigasag at ang isa. Bigan! Ay, tasa! Nag-over lang. Ipekano dyan. Ipekano ba? Palong ako, palong. Ay na.
Naubos siya
Sprint pa na ni third yo. Jump. Ano yun o? Ay, makakab mo na ako. May mga taon tatap. Nice long!
Bro, tambang ka ito isa kaya second isa. Sige niya lang Franco kay Tatsuro ka oh. Nag-second sa. Freestyle ka oh. Freestyle ka, bakit ba?
Gaya? Grabe si third yo. Champion na dapat sa QC.
So, third man na I won the race, bro.
Rider number 264. Rider number 264. This is Vincent Tito. Vincent Tito is rider number 264.
Tito?
From NME.
Tito Clint.
Third man na I, where is he from, bro?
Lilo.
From Santa Barbara or somewhere.
Sa, ba't hindi na sa dapita?
So, who won the race today, guys, is 30 Manaay from Santa Barbara. In this, is this a national race, right? National race for all Filipino bikers. The winner is 30 Manaay.
Champion.
And kasama sa group nila, ano,
Wave na ako na wala. Kita ko mo din sumbag.
stop over.
Yes, Rice.
Paguli na.
On tayo mas makoy.
Skills. Hindi nga Brian.
Si Ay, wala to naka-elf lang stress. Hindi yung medyo wala to naka-pick.
Well, Jun.
Kanina mo na yan.
That's Jackson.
Where are you guys from? Nicolas?
Santa Cruz, Villar.
Santa Cruz?
Okay. Gonna jump, no? Rider number 378. Mag-ingat! Joel! Basil! Baka pa! Kaya din sa muna yan, baka pa. Number 245. 277.
Ay!
Where are you guys from?
Manila.
What?
Manila.
Anilao?
Oo. Natrato mo lasing panaw. Oo.
What can you say to him?
Ano ka, Pedra?
Kasi ba pala kita mo nag-host na po sa mo? Okay.
We need a medic.
Okay.
Where are you guys from?
Wala ako kabalo nung.
Wala muna sa kana.
Na
siraan nila. Yan po yung bike mo.
Silipon siya.
Kahit pa paano, basta matapos.
Nayalaban ko. Nakapili siya. Na gusto,
Elimination, bakit mo lain-lain, kuya?
Bro, where you from, bro?
Manila.
How? What is your rank?
I have no...
You didn't join?
Yes po.
Davao yan. Davao represents the Philippine national team.
The riders are here, they understand how
Where you from, guys?
Pabia.
Kabia.
Yes.
Siro, mainit. Wait, galing mo ba?
Saan RJ? Jok-jok po wala.
Where you from, guys? Where you from?
Negros.
Negros. Where you from, boys? Where you from?
Planet Haro.
Planetaro. Bro, where you from? I forgot. Where you from?
Magkabante.
So, kalabas ng ladies, may flow na sila going up, going towards the start gate.
Andre, good luck. Galingan.
Just waiting for the starters right now so that we can start calling the riders, and once the
Siya no? Di ba to? Do you agree?
Appear! The close to the center split. Of course, that means that tapos na ang previous category.
Ready bet ko yan to.
Everyone is safely out of the course, ready for the next race. We're just assembling the riders now for the men juniors.
Ay, kapasilong matatani dito.
What's the ice?
Dito to!
They are part of the organization of the tour.
Tapit ka sa to! Tapit ka sa to!
Officials ng mga Iloilo, city races. Dito na sila happy out.
Oh, shout out
sa watching. Yes.
Watching the video.
Tawa sa ulit sa vlog. Hindi na. Ayaw, ma! Ayaw, ma! Uy, sabi? Sabi? Sorry, makatapag ko pa daw.
Oversight work over there at the boxes. Now the number is coming towards us now. I'm gonna give her the mic in a few moments.
Diba po sa tanong? Di ba tara sa to? Ang
Galing sa Pasig Petron.
Oh, you want to shout out?
Really excellent girl. Once again, we'd like to acknowledge our sponsors for today's event. Astounding success.
Bro. What's your final word before the race starts?
Good luck to all participants. Power.
Ato ba tayo sa ato? Isa pang tata to. Good luck no. Good luck na. You can do it. Hindi ako makatuloy. Just cheer us. Okay. What's your name? What's your name?
Bro, what's your name? The public wants to know your name.
My name is Joven Dagle.
What about you, bro?
Akin po. Akin.
Kala ko na. Huwag ka mong palubak sa TikTok. Sino ka lang yun? Singge, tadi ka ni. Ano niya? Hindi mo kilala.
So we have here our participant from Kalinog. You're from Kalinog, right, bro? Kalinog. What's your final word before the race?
Good luck sa tanan niya participant.
Barangay Ibang Grande, headed by our captain.
Ano ka naluwat yung
Yes,
alan
lang.
to?
Hmm?
Ano naluwat yung alan? Isa, may kaya mo ra? Ganire pa pala. Huwag ka na nag-chit. Uy.
Okay, announcing the start list. of our
What about you? What's your name? What's your name?
My name is...
category?
From what country?
Number
I'm from,
Agua, national champion.
Your sister.
No, we're not related. We're just best friends.
What about you?
I'm Ashley Jane sa Nicolas.
What country?
From Philippines.
Philippines.
Okay, anong gin-interview mo man ko, no?
Isa ka nagpatyo na mo tao.
Ilonggo na gali! Gin-English ako. Black na, ano it. Just believe in God. Givin.
Rider number 218, Joaquin Doy. Rider number 218.
Where are you from, guys? Where are you from?
From Iloilo.
Iloilo. What district?
Silonggo na sa part! Silonggo na sa part! Silonggo na sa part!
What district? Haro? La Paz?
Araw.
Roy Baleares from SMECT. Rider number 232, Chris Adrian Veloso from Go for Gold Philippines. And rider number 240, Zairus Bautista from Timberland. We have 21 riders from True Nations. Good luck and ride safe, riders.
Ay, sorry. Senior guru tanan no?
Okay, riders. So, for the men junior, it is UCI sanction for men junior, and the top 10 riders in the ranking will be getting your UCI world ranking. Okay, so the top 10 riders will be getting a UCI world ranking. Okay, for the men junior, it is 5 laps, 3.9 kilometer per lap, and it is 5 laps. There will be 2 feeding and technical zone. We will also implement the 80% pull out zone. This means any riders who are being or almost being overlapped will be pulled out, and riders pull out at the 80% zone will still get your ranking. Okay, any riders who exit outside the 80% will be a do not finish rider. Right, so gentlemen, 1 minute to start.
Tubig. Tubig muna, tubig. Oh, tubig.
30 seconds to start.
Pasig City, get ready to give a round of applause to our junior men in the cross-country Olympic category on the first ASEAN Cycling Federation.
Gentlemen, you have 15 seconds.
And they're off! Our riders in the junior men category of the first ASEAN Cycling Federation Cycling Mountain Bike Championship.
Again, the Mangalore Resurgence of Football Philippines, currently reigning national champion and Asian Mountain Championship.
Where are you from, bro? Where are you from? Iloilo. What district? Iloilo. So you're warming up.
But I'm very thankful for the climb, and the second position for Justin and also kaya magkamuliw ka na? Mamaya natin ano din, it was really happening. Because it seems like a curse to some of the riders.
Where are you from, guys? Where are you from? Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines. What province? Pasig City. Where from, guys? Where are you from? Iloilo. What district? Villa. What about your friend? Same place.
Babia.
Villa. Where are you from? Where are you from, sis? Where are you from? Pasig. You didn't join the game? The race?
Hi vlog, welcome to
Where are you from, guys?
Huh?
Where are you from?
TK.
TK. What about the others? Kalumpang.
Matapos na ito.
You, bro? What is tall guy? Where are you from, bro?
From Iloilo.
Lilo.
From Bacolod.
Bacolod.
Bacolod City.
Maaari ako din. Maaari ako din.
Are, so subong sa base ba? Shout out kay
Where are you from, guys?
Miagao.
What?
Miagao.
Miagao, all of you? Where are you from, guys? Where are you from? How's the race, bro? How's the race?
How's the race? Ano the race?
Is the race okay?
Nice.
Where are you from?
I'm from Lucena.
What about you, bro?
Taga Lucena.
Lucena. Thanks. Where are you from, bro?
Pasig City.
Pasig. You didn't join the game?
Yeah.
Okay. What about this guy? Where are you guys from?
From Villa, Iloilo.
Villa, Iloilo.
May page mo lang.
Where are you guys from? Where are you guys from? Where are you from? La Paz, Lilo.
We're locals.
Locals. Bro, where are you guys from?
Ang pila ka na part.
I don't get. Where are you guys from?
Villa.
Villa and.
Question na kanina.
So how about the inner drink, guys? What drink that makes you going during the race?
Monster C. Or Biroka or Versus T.
Is that drinks, energy drinks?
Yes.
What about the coconut water?
I think it just recovers our muscles because it
Coconut-
relaxes us.
Coconut water is rich in electrolytes, right?
Yes.
Yeah, what I know is that coconut water is natural Gatorade,
Yeah.
right? So do you also drink Gatorade? What about caffeinated drinks?
I don't. don't drink caffeinated.
What can I say to you is you should not overdosage yourself with caffeinated drinks because it is dangerous. Okay.
Yeah.
There are guys who drank about 10 bottles of caffeinated drinks and they died instantly. Okay, be careful of caffeinated drinks, guys. Okay. Guys, I have a question for you. What drink or anything like energy drink that keeps you going during biking?
Booster. Sting. Booster, Sting.
Sting and
Or
Booster.
Cobra.
Do you also drink caffeinated drinks?
Ako wala.
What I've heard is that caffeinated drinks, if you drank too much, if you drank overdosage, it would cause you death. Right? I've heard some athletes who drank about 10 bottles of caffeinated drinks and they died instantly. So, are you also careful in drinking caffeinated drinks? Okay, so where are you from, guys?
Roas.
Rojas.
Sabihan.
Hey, thanks for your time, guys. What is your favorite drink during the race or during biking long distance?
Sting.
Sting. What are the others?
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew. That makes you going during the race.
Race.
How about quenching your tears? Okay, thank you. How's your business, ma'am? What about you, bro? How's your business? Bro. So, what's your favorite drink, bro? During biking long distances, what's your drink?
Sting.
Sting and other drinks. Gatorade. What about coconut water? Drink ko. What? What about water only?
Water.
What's your favorite drink during the race?
Red Horse Extra Strong.
What's your drink during the race, or what keeps you going if you go long distance?
I don't go long distance because I'm mahina. Nagano na ako, nagbibisyo.
Okay what is your favorite drink during the race or something?
Booster C, sir. Booster C. Booster C, Biroka, Gatorade, all tanan nga energy drink ka.
You also drink caffeinated drinks?
Oo, sir.
What about coconut water?
Why ko pa siya na-try, sir, pero pwede man siguro.
Coconut water is rich in electrolytes, they said. And it is like a natural Gatorade. You should try it too, right? Okay?
Sir, i-try naman, sir.
Okay.
Isa pa. Tatlo ko ipot ka ba?
Who is ranking 1, bro? Who is rank 1? What's the name?
Jan Andy Agua.
The ranking first.
Yes.
What's his name again?
Jan Andy Agua.
Agua. What category is this, bro?
I don't know.
What category is this? All Filipino. Where are you from, bro?
Manila.
Are you also joining the race?
Yes.
So what time is your race?
1 p.m.
1 p.m.
Open Elite Academy.
What drink makes you going during the race?
Ano na lang. Hindi siya medyo intense din kasi dahil may mga Malaysia, Thailand, Japan.
You drink energy drinks?
Oh yes, energy drink.
Thanks for your time, bro.
Thank you. Tapos.
Joe Divine Palenca, Ramon Julian Masna, Robert P. Brown, Chinky Palma.
Oh, nako!
Alvo.
Where are you from, guys?
Aklan.
Where? Aklan?
Yeah.
An accident just happened, right?
Kasali pala ako dyan.
But we cannot take those video like those accidents because it's prohibited.
From the city budget office. Grabe.